How to create Gmail account without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Gmail account without using a phone number step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Chrome browser, and here once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you click on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply click on Add Account, and once you click on it, you'll be prompted to the sign-in page. Now here at the bottom, you can see the option labeled as Create Account. So simply click on it, and from the drop-down menu, simply select For My Personal Use. And now here on the next page, simply enter your first name and last name. And once you're done with that, simply click on next. And after that, you'll be prompted to the page where you need to enter your date of birth and your gender. So simply enter the data about that. And once you're done with it, simply click on next. And now here, and after that, you need to choose your Gmail address. So here you can choose the recommended Gmail address, or you can simply create your own. On the next page, you need to set a strong password. So simply type in the strong password, and once you're done with that, simply tab on next. And now after that, you'll be asked to enter a recovery email or phone number. So here is the trick. Phone number and the recovery email is optional, so you can simply skip it. And here once you're done with that, you just need to follow the remaining on-screen instructions and accept the terms and policies. And once you're done with that, if prompted, you need to verify that you are not a robot. And that's it. By doing this, you will be able to create a Gmail account without using a phone number. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.